everybody, thanks for joining me. Just wanted to do a quick video, and no, it's not about owls, but I do love owls. That's my granddaughter's sunset picture that she made me. But today's mixing day. I'm really excited to be able to have an entire day that I've been working on putting some of these gorgeous colors into bottles and mixing them. What's already in my bottle is, and I use recycled 12-ounce Gatorade bottles, is a marble, and I've already labeled it for the Arteza color. This one's going to be olive green. It's Arteza order number A137. I put the light fastness and the opacity on the outside label. That way it's really easy visually for me to know what I'm grabbing when I'm working with these colors. But these colors are so gorgeous. I cannot even wait to mix these up and put them in a bottle. Found these little hello badges on sale at Michael's for $1, and I've just been, cutting those up, putting them on my bottles, and I may or may not have picked out just a few to work on. I'm really inspired by the fall colors right now and really excited to start putting paint to canvas. It's been a while. I've actually had this box for almost a month, and life just isn't always, rainbows, sunshines, and unicorns. So just now getting to where I can get in here and work with these, but I'm really super excited to work with Arteza paints. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Just wanted to give you a heads up what I was doing, and I plan to make a short video to show you how I am mixing these. What's in this bottle already is 1 ounce of Liquitex Basics pouring medium. I'm going to mix in the Arteza paint, and then I'm also going to add my standard pouring medium mix of Elmer's Glue All and water. Each of these tubes, which is 22 milliliters or approximately 0.75 ounces, I think I'll be able to quadruple or maybe even, more because these are so pigmented. I think I'll be able to get quite a bit of paint out of each of these little tubes. I've seen some stuff mixed up on YouTube, and it's really exciting. So just want to give you a heads up what I'm doing. Thought I would stop by, let you know that I am working. I'm not painting today, but I am mixing paint. I'll pop you up a video as soon as I can on how I do get them mixed up, but for now, just wanted to wish you a very happy, very blessed Saturday. I hope that you're having some R&R with your family, having yourself a nice little cup of tea or coffee. Do something that inspires your soul and lift your spirit. Have a blessed day, you guys. Hit like if you enjoy what I'm doing. Please feel free to subscribe, and let's put a little bit of beautiful art back out into the world. Take care, and I will talk to you soon on the very next video. Bye.